I remember when my daddy passed and we had a meeting and my siblings, they were trying to bring up, you people, he took care of you. Some of us, we didn't go to, I say, hey, Ubia, stop, break. We are here to honor a good man. We are here to honor somebody who has paid the price. I don't care what he did for you and what he didn't do for somebody. If I had 12 children, I don't think I can be able to do what my father did. I don't think so. Because my father at a point didn't drive a car, at a point didn't own a house, at a point he lost certain things because he had to offset certain properties to be able to take care of all of us so that everybody can also get a push. So don't compare yourself to the parents of the people around. So we all cannot appreciate all the fathers the same way. You can clap your hands for the Lord. Not every father could take you to Cornell, Yale, Harvard, and Cambridge, Oxford. Even Legon and Ken UST or I can't say. You say no. You me I don't know how and no. But so what can Not every father was able to take you there. It's okay. Now that you have money, take care of yourself and push yourself there. Parenting is not a joke. When you started giving birth to children, then you are beginning to realize that raising children is not a joke. You are working and you are on the job and it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock. You need to, get back from wherever you are and go and pick your baby from school. Sometimes, I remember one time where Dede was in the hospital with one delivery and I need to take care of 2 children. 2 children. Hey, abotre.